I gotta turn my camera off here though. Gotta use on OBS. Finally able to catch a live session. This is special stuff, guys. You guys will never get this ever again, alright? Never ever. This is special. VIP. Turn my light up. Neat.
Catching them VI pips.
They're like, what? What's going on? Asian session, VIP exclusive. I'm only doing this because I'm expecting a move today on Asian session and GJ, so that's why. These cells are clean. You normally stream VIP? No, we don't. But where's my
Pop-up stream? Pop-up stream.
my camera's not on? Give me a second. Alright. What up, guys? Wow, we lit. First Asian stream ever on streams. Give me a second, guys. First time ever doing this in my life. It's kind of new, kind of weird. By the way, guys, it's confirmed that we're going on trade nut like this week or next week, I believe. So.
You talked to him or what?
Yeah, we're doing it. You gotta give me a date, but it should be this week or next week.
Perfect.
Let's get it. What up, guys? For those that can't catch it during New York session, here's your time to shine. Ask all the questions you want. We're on for like an hour, not even 45 minutes, maybe an hour to like 8:10ish, something like that. I gotta grab some dinner and go to bed in like 2 hours. So got some time though. I was supposed to the gym too. I guess you can't anymore, man. Alright. So, I have my stuff marked up already. Yes, it's pretty self-explanatory, but if you guys are in every day, simple. You have a support form there. You had a uptrend here on GJ, right? And price came down to break below. Also, look at the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame is bearish, and it also broke these lows here on the 4-hour time frame. So you actually have a clean traffic on the 4-hour time frame, at least until like 147, 100 here. So I do believe that's gonna be clean, continue down there. The better sells, or the sells that some better people are looking for, would be in this range, on the hourly. So below the support here. That's what I'm kind of looking for, right? Not really gonna anticipate anything during Asian, right? But I do anticipate there's gonna be a move today. All my moves, all my entries are gonna be, actual candle closures. Not really anticipations. Only fans VIP stream. Yep. These sales are gonna be nice during Asian. I really do anticipate this to happen within the next hour, hour and a half. If there's nothing by 8:30, guys, I'm calling it a wrap. 100%. Or 8:15. Because 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. sorry, I do expect some type of volume to kick in. The same way you treat New York, the same way you treat Asian, right? Pre-Asian, Asian opening. You know how it goes. What's good, my guy? What's going on, D Joe? Hey, D Joe's the sell replay guy, by the way, if you guys didn't know. The sell replay.
No, I didn't know that.
Yeah, it's him. The sell replay. You can't be not explain to me what the sell replay is. See what Gold's doing. By the way, Gold, guys, don't get trapped in these sells, eh? Sorry, I didn't want to say it like that, but like I'm some market maker. But I do anticipate this might be a fake. Like I don't believe this is gonna come down here during Asian. I think gold might stay in a range here for the rest of the Asian in London. After during New York tomorrow, it should be able to drop down towards like the next support. I'm gonna avoid these sells here. It looks clean, but I believe this discount is gonna continue up the bullish range, continue down tomorrow. Ooh, pushing down here. If we can get like a 30-minute closure, that'll be pretty cool. Wow, Wickstan's out. Wickstan's out in the dark.
You're gonna wait on a 30, right? No 15, kind of like Wix9 was saying.
I'll wait for a 15. I'm fine with the 15 here, just because 15 has never closed below the range before here. So any closure here would be ideal for us to continue down, I'll say. I'll be fine. I'll be comfortable taking a 15. Load of support here. What inspired a rare session? Well, at first it was supposed to be a Slack group, but I'm like, GG looks really clean today. We might as well stream it and take the sells on the stream.
Got a quick question. Hop back on the 30 just for 1 second.
The charity, yeah.
The charity. So we had this level over here.
Yep.
Marked originally, I feel like. And then on the 15, we marked like this level over here, like it's slightly higher.
Yes.
Yep. Which one do you like?
I like this one based on the fact that I think I marked up on what, 15? I think, yeah, 15, right? So like I rather wait for a closure below the support in 15 because these counts here fail to do that. So if we get a closure below, it's gonna do what these counts couldn't do. But I agree with me. You can wait for it below here as well. Thing is, that's very minor there. This is like more major up here. So I believe if we break this and get a closure below here, we should be fine. This shouldn't be an issue here. This count's rejecting there right now. I'm guessing because to leave a wick. Next count, if it closes below like this, it should just continue down smoothly towards the support. So far, Asian opened up, not even pre-Asian. The day came down like 30 pips.
Yeah.
They just started. My bad. Yeah, your mic was going crazy. Oh, 15. 2 minutes left. I want to close right here. That'd be perfect. Your stops are like 10-9 pips. Hey, if this here hits TP off the rip, I'm getting off the stream. We're done. The stream's done. It's gonna be a 10-minute stream. Catch your pips and just dip. Rare session.
15-minute pop-up.
Yeah.
Hit and run.
Yeah, like before like that Asian even opens up.
Treat it like a poker cash game.
What's up, Dying? Do Asian session 2? Nah, man, this is a rare session. You'll never catch me here again. Guys, I trade it, but I won't stream it. Like, I'm not here to sit here for 3 hours like I do in New York session.
A-Rod.
A-Rod, he's been showing up lately a lot.
He has been.
Even the Asian stream, he just tries to catch me every single time. I know exactly what group you came from. It's funny. It's pretty cool to see people come from other groups and just,
Yeah, 100%.
Ooh, guess what came? Fit life exercise and resistance band set stackable.
There it is.
Delivered to my door.
You got him. I'm surprised I didn't get a picture of him, bro.
Hey, I'm gonna actually bring it upstairs right now. BRB. Give me like 1 second. Oh wait, we have 2 minutes left for this kind of close. I can't.
You might as well wait. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait. I'm not gonna. It's not that important. It's not that important. Not important as this
Got a
channel
minute.
closure. Down for a Slack group. Is that only for course members? Yes, only for course members to get access to the Slack group. And yeah. Oh, sorry. My trades are taken from this morning. These are not my trades from this Asian session. Trades called. Delete that gold. Did not take that today during Asian. That was yesterday. Focus is gonna be GJ. That's it.
Wish it was a little closing a little lower.
It might still push here. I want like yeah, like 147, 165. That'd be ideal.
There it is.
Oh, yep.
You said it, and then it pushed right there. I'm gonna wait for top wick, and then on the flip, I'll
Yes,
probably get in.
me too. Yep, there's a top wick. Can we flip? Or a deeper wick would be ideal too.
Yeah, deeper wick.
What was our first Asian session? We get a loss. That would not be a good look.
I'll take these though. These look clean.
Yep.
Wick's 9, you getting in?
I'm in this position.
I'm in already. Yeah, I was in about a minute.
Right.
It did a little flip right in the beginning. That's when I entered.
Oh, okay. So not even that far back. I thought you entered like way up here or something.
No. Just as soon as the candle did a little flip.
In this position, guys, we got a 15-minute closure below the range here. This count is doing what these counts couldn't do. Therefore, as long as this count respects this kind of high, we should be able to drive down. And this is the only trade I'm taking today during the Asian session.
Everything is bearish.
Yes.
Every time
Except
frame is
for
bearish.
the daily and weekly, but
Yeah. Yep.
thing has been come down here, but weekly can still flip bullish again.
Yeah, for sure. How many people we got?
50?
Yeah, 57. 57 is not bad for
Asian? That's not bad at
yeah,
all.
for Asian, just getting it popping. Everybody leave a like.
Well, not yet. Yeah, leave a like now, and if this trade goes through, then I'll see.
Just react. Thumbs
Oh,
up,
we have a
thumbs down,
30-minute high
just
too.
react.
That's perfect for closure. Yep. If the one hour can close below here as well, that'd be cool.
If we get like,
Continue down.
if we get like last year's March volume.
Oh yeah, but last March was my best month, or second best month. Yeah, that volume's be crazy. Wait, how big is my TP here? Is this 80 pips? Oh, that's 25. I read this as 80. It's 25 pips. Okay. I was like, wait, what am I doing? I think my TP is a little too low here. I think I'm gonna have it like right here. At around 19 pips.
Close partials at 10 pips.
Yes.
We hit it.
If this 15 closes back in the range, I'm gonna close half and then enter start replace setups, sell stops below, like on the other half again.
Yeah.
So
Like that. It's
reduce
good,
to add on
bro.
once it breaks. 'Cause if it shouldn't close above here, you know, if it wants to drive, but if it does, then I want to manage. Because the hourly high is way up here, right? Like, we'll have like a 21 pip stop. The
You got
gold is
music
live
playing or
engagement
no?
session. Yes, is it not playing? Oh shit, it's not playing. There you go. I think this counts on close doji, but let's see.
I mean, everything's fair. Everything from half hour, hour. I mean, everything's fair.
I want this count to break the lows. That'll be pretty sweet. Comes down, breaks this low. It should be ciao bella.
Ciao Bella. I thought everyone's saying that now.
We're signing Jordan Life. He's joining Miami Life. There's no snow there. I just shoveled snow today. I was like, man, was this snowing for you too?
Yeah,
I
dude.
mean, you're like 2 hours away. Yeah, it was like
Yeah,
30
mad
inches, 30
hard.
centimeters of snow. Man, there's a lot of snow.
Snowing crazy hard. Pretty sure, Wixnot, you said you were from New York, right? Back in the day.
I'm
You know
from
what
Brooklyn,
it's like.
yeah, man.
Yeah, yeah.
Nah,
You know.
man, me I'm from Jamaica. Me I never seen snow before. Like I say. Nah, I haven't seen snow in like 10 years.
Damn.
Reminded me of the movie Shatas. I haven't seen it forever. You seen that movie, Don?
Man,
Yeah,
how long
that's-
is it? How old is it?
Mad. That's like the OG.
Oh yeah, I haven't seen
How
it.
about
Man.
Belly? You seen Belly?
Haven't seen
Yeah, dude. DMX. That was my
DMX
jam
and
back in the yeah, that was my jam back in the day.
it. I'm a bit too young for that.
Yo, you should look it up though, bro. It's both of those are great movies. Belly especially is like fire. We're breaking lows here.
Yep. Gold shorts. I mentioned this. Like, be careful. This could be a fake out coming back in the range here. Like, I don't believe Asian's gonna push it down, but I mean, I could be wrong. I'm gonna avoid all shorts for gold. I'm gonna wait till New York tomorrow because I believe it's gonna range through Asian, London. You might get a move on London, but New York tomorrow should push gold further down. So tomorrow's target is 1776 if we're able to break the ranges tomorrow. Let's see how tomorrow goes. Yeah, I think this hand's gonna close doji. I don't think this hand's gonna drive down. They might just close doji, and then 15 starter
It
player
drives
sounds
down
good.
right now.
I could be wrong too, you know.
Yeah, right. It just make the push right here.
I mean, I hope it'll make my life easier. Call
Yeah,
it a
right.
day, get off in like 10 minutes.
If it's a
good
15,
stream.
yeah, I was just gonna say.
15-minute stream, not bad.
Yeah, not bad.
I think I might close full at 10 pips to be honest though.
Same. I went low risk. I popped the 2 lot. I didn't go.
You can go to crazy during New York. Yeah, it makes sense. Or during Asian.
Yeah. Did you pop the 10 or no?
I popped the 10, yeah. Stops on 9
Savage.
pips.
Nice.
After doing gold and then just popping 5s on gold for 20 pip stops, I got used
Yeah.
to it.
Yeah,
That's
yeah,
his
yeah.
new name, Papa 10.
Pop a 10.
Papa 10.
That's his new name, Papa 10.
Yeah, it could be right though. Could close doji here and then next time it comes down. It is the last 15 minutes of the candle. That's why I'm saying that, right? But
Oh, it's last 15 of the hourly?
yeah, you didn't realize that?
No, I didn't.
I did, but yeah. But there are many times where I've seen the last 15 just go down as well. So worst thing we do here is just manage risk, right? I think it's gonna
True.
close like this, something like this. Next count comes down, breaks the lows, start play you have should be clean.
Just gotta survive the 1 hour pullback.
Yes, the 1 hour highs. Yeah. Maybe like a closure 147 to 172. That'll be good for a second entry. Start replays below.
You could take a second entry if that happens or no?
If I popped the 5, I would have, but I popped the 10. I think if we're close like this, I'll take a sell stop. Some second entry, because for one, or sorry, not like this. Something more like this. Because it's gonna be respecting this resistance.
Yeah.
Going across, and for 2, you have to start replay once you like break those lows here. I'll take a sell stop below. Well, that's my plan if we do close bullish too. So we got 5 minutes to survive though. It's a long time.
I was about to say 5 minutes is gonna be a long time.
Fuck Carlo in the streams. This is gonna be a long time. Wait, sorry,
Regardless of
are you
this,
gonna manage this or just not let it run? Can't hear you, my friend. What do you say, Andre?
regardless whether this plays out or not, Carlo's gonna have FOMO. Even if this is like a losing trade, he's gonna be like, I wish I was there.
Yeah, on the streams, right? Yeah.
Yeah. If we push back in that range, on the 15, close in the 15, back in that range, what are you
Closing half.
taking off 50%? Close in
Yeah.
half.
Close half. And then I'll just enter a sell stop if we break this lows again.
Yeah.
Let's see you get stopped out here. Alright. Wick's not be right. Should wait for a 30. Close
Yep.
below.
Do you call it?
Let's see.
$30 just flipped.
Yeah, 30 flipped. See where it closes.
All right, Asian has the tendency to do that. All good though.
Again,
I really
I
feel-
still believe it's unclosed doji.
I really feel like I've noticed that too with Asian.
No FOMO, no stress. You shouldn't be over. Actually, you should be under leveraging this trade because it's Asian and it was a 15-minute.
Yeah, that's
Under
what I
leveraging.
mean.
I mean, does it
But-
count if I, had a good February? I'm just using the same risk I did at the start of the month. So that's under
The
leveraging.
stops are-
It
Stops are not that big here either.
was like 9 pips, yeah.
And we have our move, our position. So like, I'm not worried. Like,
Yeah.
we're still valid right now. It's not looking ideal, but it's still valid. Hasn't closed yet. Once it closes, look to reduce risk and then look for the next opportunity.
Oh, 70 people here. What's going on, guys? For those that are new here, I'm in cells right now on Go on GJ. Don blessing us. Let's see, man. Let's see how this goes. Blessing you with value regardless. We're making new lower lows and lower highs, I believe. Yeah.
Oh, the candles themselves.
Counts themselves up. We haven't really broken any highs like on the 15 as well for the past candles here as well. Prices have been respecting highs, so this 15 here, let's see how we close. Thing is, we close bullish here. 1 hour is still valid regardless. Like if you enter a sell in a 1 hour time frame, stops up here, that'll be valid for sells. But that'll be a whole complete different trade. Ooh, 15 pushing up here. We're breaking the current highs again. $15 closes bullish. 1 hour is still bearish. I believe 1 hour in the S-count will continue down. And then that's when we'll be having sell stops for if this 15 does close bullish here below that 15-minute low. But first we gotta reduce risk first. gonna close 50% here. 7 pips, and then I'm gonna close it before the 1 minute closes here. And then I'm gonna add house style stops below here if this kind of were to break the lows later on. If it doesn't break and it just continues up, I'm just gonna stay up for the rest of the session. But then the only thing I'm taking today is probably sells during this Asian session. Close at 5. Okay, perfect. So I close half around 7 pips here. I want to see how this 15 reacts to this area. Okay, 15 opened up. I mean, closed there, closed bullish in the range. I closed half ready, so now I've got a 5 lot running. I'm gonna enter another 5 because I closed half ready. I'm gonna enter another 5 once we break below here. So sell stops. This is the start of play going down. I believe if the price were to come down here, this is also the 1 hour wick here. If it fills a wick, high chance it's gonna continue further down here. So let's see what happens. How many times have you guys seen this though? 15 closes bullish in the
So
range.
many.
Next 15 just drives down, no top wick. I think I've seen this on gold today. Similar setup, but this is a whole different pair. It's not really a good opening though. I prefer a top wick, to be honest with you guys. Just because like this could flip at any time and just be a low for price to drive back up bullish.
It's the beginning of the hourly candle too.
Yeah. So
Yep.
I prefer you have a top wick. I think it's kind of might flip here, but let's see. We reduce risk here. How big are stops here though? If you do 10 11 pip stop, second entry, not bad.
This is a little crucial spot where we're at right now.
Yep.
We got to be able to do something there. Break through.
This kind of could reject it at this point. Let's see. Yeah, it's at that support here. Alright. Going across. And then you can just end up flipping bullish. To the upside. If this happens, I think that's the day.
Yes. That is the day.
Let's see what happens.
There's definitely some volume.
Sorry, what? Your volume? There's some volume, yeah.
Yeah, definitely some volume.
Oh, we're breaking the lows. This could be a good sign.
Looks like, did you remove any of your position or you just kept full?
I closed half as soon as we closed back within range. So I closed minus 9 pips, 8 pips, 8 point something.
Yeah, third minute that third minute looks clean for starter plays too. Third minute close bearish, bullish too, weak bullish. If we break the lows there, we can probably fly down to our target.
Yeah, if we break the lows and
We're still grasping. I was, man, but this trade here, I'm in it. I had to wait the last minute. Got some fitness stuff coming, but we jacked on the live streams for you guys. Again, like I think we need this count to break this low here, right? We're also off another support here, very minor support. This is the low we need to break. I was going for the wrong direction. Depends how you view a trade.
Must be a McLaren trader.
Like looking at this, any given day I'll take a sell, right? I don't think I'll look for buys here at all. At the support. Even if it's my stop, so I'm not gonna go back and say I wish I took buys, because I wouldn't take buys here any day, right? I mean, it depends on how you saw the trade at the time, right? I gotta see a chart, but yeah, something I would not enter though. Definitely not.
Like it broke back within range. People look at it in terms of structure, you know, higher high, higher
Yeah.
low. Look at it in terms of like zones.
Like the daily is bullish, 100%. I'm bullish for a daily. I do expect kind of a flip here, but we don't know where it's gonna flip yet. And off a small time frame, it shows that we're gonna go further down, and we're gonna know if it kind of flips or not. Let's say, for example, we push down here. Sorry. Let's say you push down here. Right, we push down towards, you know, this support down here. We push down. Okay. Now we're probably gonna create support there. If we create support there, because this is a daily high, I believe it's somewhere up here. This is a daily high, right? So if we create support somewhere, we continue back up. I think once you like break back into like these ranges, like this resistance, I'll say, we'll probably pop up towards that daily resistance. Therefore, that's to lead you to the daily kind of flip and bullish, and then you start to see more buys for a day. Continuing on towards the next resistance on a higher time frame. But you have to see that structure first. Think for buys. I mean, you could get an entry here and prices just go up from here and flip bullish, break these highs, but again, I don't think there's any confirmations here for buys, right? Hey, I got a chart. How's your chart look? Let me see. Sorry, yeah. Probably lower stops at 147, 233. I reduced my risk, and that's what I'm gonna be like. I think I'll be saving 2 pips on a point, you know, half risk. So it's, might as well leave it up there at the 1 hour high, right? Okay, interesting. Okay, GJ. Intraday. I mean, yeah, I'm bullish. This is a 1 minute time frame. Oh no. This is a 1 minute time frame.
Gotta wash my eyes.
This is a 1 minute time frame. This is a 1 minute, right? Yeah, this is a 1 minute. Man. I think it's pointless to do analysis in a 1 minute time frame because candles just gonna close, open up, like just every single minute you look at it. So I think a better time frame to do analysis on would be like a 15, 30 minimum.
Or there's been like 8 candles since you looked at that chart.
Yeah, 8 candles just flew by right now. Like this night, the structure is probably up here. Yeah, man. 1 minute. I haven't done analysis in 1 minute ever in my life. I've done monthly, weeklies, but never in 1 minute. Who knows? This can be the wave. Who knows? This can be, you know, the next best strategy of all time. Oof, I may have closed bearish back in the range. Interesting. I don't look at the 5 minute, but that's something that's small.
How you feel about closing out your original position here while it's only a negative pip, 1 pip or 2 pips, knowing that
and then enter sell sauce once to break below?
Yeah.
That's a
This
good
way
idea.
You're not risking much.
Yeah, that makes sense.
That's it. I just did that. So I closed at a pip, -1 pip. So this way, if it goes up, I'm not losing anything, but if it comes down, I'm just gonna take it at that. Right.
Take it on the celery, sell on the 15 or the 30.
Yeah, and I just closed the original position at -1 pip. So
Yep.
technically, I'm not risking this pullback.
That's a good idea because you don't know what's gonna
I
happen at
closed.
these levels. Yep.
Yeah, we took the trade based off this. Right now, we're losing. So like, would I take the trade here? No. So
Yep.
I
Exactly.
close out, and we're not too far away from like our re-entry if we do enter. So it's only
Good move. I like it. As we said it, the candle
yeah.
pulled
You
back.
see, like, but even if let's say it went our way, and I lost a pip on this, I would have technically entered 2 pips later. So my net loss on there would have been 3 pips.
Yep.
Yeah.
But I'm sure it would have rode down to at least 10. So I would still like play the odds, play his turn.
That makes 100% sense. Yep. Because first I had to deal with this support, and now you got this support right here. So if this is the first time I came to a trust right now, again, like I wouldn't be in this trade. It just wouldn't make sense, right? I'll look for sells below the support. I'll wait for like some type of closure below here. Take my sells. That's what Wixon's trying to say here. Also ask yourself, every time my account closes, would you be in this position right now or not? If you didn't originally enter. That's how you manage risk. So you close half at 5 pips, and then you
No, I closed half
Oh.
at minus 8 points.
8.
My total net loss was 10.5 pips. Oh, so I closed when the candle closed, and it was minus.
Done. Say this current
But
candle.
That's not minus 9 pips between 2 positions. Yeah. Total.
Closes just below this range right here, just below the support.
Yep.
You're just gonna just chill.
Yes. I want to close below here though, below the support. But yeah.
Below that body right there. Yeah.
I mean, I'll still have it open. 30 minutes still open. 1 hour still open. The only thing that's kind of bothering me this position here is just this
No top
top
wick.
wick on this candle.
Yeah,
Everything is gonna flip
same.
bullish.
Yeah, me too. Me too. I feel the same thing, especially just because the new hourly. Like the new hourly has no top wick. There's a high chance.
I mean, I already closed half, so I mean,
Yeah, it is what it is. I'm not like I think Wix9 said it perfect earlier. Like I didn't pop a crazy over leverage lot size. I actually like went down for it being Asian.
Yep.
So
Like opening the trade, I was like, yo, what would make me cool? Like, what would not make me want to throw this damn computer off this balcony? If I lose the trade, like, what would I be cool with? Like, everybody's relationship to money is different. Some people over leverage and they succeed because they're not worried about it. And some people over leverage, they stress, they close out early, or they, go about their position wrong. Just a lot has to do not just with the amount of money you have. Like, I know a lot of people say, 1 to 3% is ideal, but for somebody, 10% is ideal. It all depends on their relationship to money, how comfortable they are. Like, shit, you're comfortable pulling, a 10 lot on like a 5K account, go for it. But
yeah.
that's funny because that's one of my answers for a Train Up podcast. Something similar to that. Honestly, I think the whole podcast is this one question over and over again. My answer is gonna be I use price action, use price action, use price action, use price action.
It's like the police when they pull you over, they try to ask you the same thing, but 5 different ways.
Different ways.
So
Like,
you answer it differently.
Yeah.
when did you take a turn? When did trading take a turn for you? When you started to look at price action? What's your style of trading? Price action.
You
What do you
bring a
use to
little-
match a trade? Price action. Like, it's literally those questions.
Yeah, but you'll be able to give specific examples of how you use price action to manage your trades in
Yep.
certain situations. And you're obviously, just like going to be drawing out candles. I hope you have the Zoom annotate tools because that's your bread and butter.
Oh yeah, I am.
Yeah, so then you'll be gravy.
I should have it. Should
This-
let me use it.
15 closes in 30 seconds. You gonna move
If-
your stop loss to this current 15 high or no? I'm just gonna eat the three
Let it
or
run.
2 or 3
I don't
pips.
think it's worth it. It's only like
I mean, yeah, it
2
comes out to
pips.
that too. It won't be even worth it. I think I'm just gonna let it
Yeah.
open, let it run still.
I agree.
If I didn't close half, I would close half as we speak. Once we close, so yeah. Could probably lower stop. Are that ready? Chart not found. Yeah, look, this 15 didn't close below, still closed bearish though. I mean, you can look at it from this perspective, it makes you feel better. Resistance formed, support formed. You're at the top of the range. If we're closing bearish, we're gonna look to come down to the bottom of the range. And then eventually further down, but we gotta respect these highs there. 8 AM opening, we had no volume on the opening. This volume here is all pre-Asian. If there's volume during Asian, it should be this candle here. This 8:15, 8:30 candle. So GJ, if you hear me right now, listen to me and do your thing. Imagine that's kind of comes straight down. Wickstown's always trading outside. Always. If he's not the beach, he's outside.
Always. Joint in hand, other hand on the cursor.
I got my laptop and my wizard buttons with me anywhere I go.
Wizard buttons.
Interesting.
No free promo.
No free promo. I remember the person that said that, no free promo. I think someone came in here with something else, talking about something else. I'm like, yo, no free promo. It's funny.
One of my favorites is when Wickstein says my no free promo device. That's
Oh yeah, my no free promo device. If we hit stops here, it's gonna be sad because this is our first Asian session, and it's gonna be unfortunate.
That's alright.
My first New York session ever, my first stream, it was a win. Thank God, because I was nervous my first stream. Like, wow, if I enter the first try to enter as the last, it would be a bad look.
You gotta get that.
Yeah, I gotta
get that
get
first
the
trade
monkey
off
off
your
your
back.
back. Yeah, it's always that
Yeah.
first trade I get off. I used to have that when I come to like the new week trading, or like
Dude,
a
it's
new,
so
new
fun.
day. But not anymore. I don't get it anymore.
I was literally just gonna say that sometimes on Mondays I'm always like, all right, let's get the first, and then I didn't take a trade this Monday just because of the bank holiday.
Yeah,
And
I don't think we took a trade
yes,
today. Right?
yeah, no, we didn't.
Yeah.
Today's Tuesday.
Today's
So
Tuesday,
today was my first trade, and it was at GJW. So like it was perfect. It's funny. It's like what my
Bullshit.
wife and I literally said it.
Hey, this looks
Shit.
very similar to who watched the video earlier I posted on
Look at
about gold.
Look at Wickstein.
If you look at the same thing for gold earlier on a 5. Remember I broke down a 5-minute time frame Wickfill on a 15. Sorry if you watched this video. This is the exact same thing that's happening here. So if we're able to come down to fill this wick here, high chance we're gonna drive down to this low. Once we break the low, it should be like the same gold candle at 7:49 today AM. This could be it. It kind of drives down.
You're gonna add your position back on the break of the low.
Yeah, break
the,
this 30-minute
30?
low. Yeah, like start
Yeah,
right
yeah.
here.
Nice.
11 pip stop. Yeah, I think this is a resistance form there. Should retest the lows. That's a lot cleaner. After it should continue down the second time it breaks. Keep in mind, this is a 5-minute start replay here. You guys may not see it, but once it breaks, that's a 5-minute start replay right here, and then this will be a 30-minute start replay. Going to 5 minutes.
Spartan kick.
Oh yeah, well not really 5 minutes. I read my counts wrong today, but you guys get that point. USD JPY, Oh yeah, Asian is open. Yeah, JPY is moving. You're right. Is there enough Asian volume during Asian to make a candles move that big? Yep. I've been trading Asian, not like I'm not on a chart for 3 hours like I do with New York, but I still look at it every day, so I do see it. Fuck man, 2 days ago Asian sessions candle came up 130 pips alone.
Yeah, it's crazy.
But you don't understand when I trade though. You can't be trading at 5 p.m., 6 p.m. Eastern. Like this is 8 a.m., 8 p.m. This is the Asian session opening, right? So. I wanted to break these lows here on this candle. Should not flip. If it flips below, should not be a bad look. We have news tomorrow? Yeah, tomorrow we have nothing. We should be fine tomorrow. Oh no, we do. We have core retail sales. That's be interesting. 8:30. Oh, we got 8 people for Asian right now. That's surprising. Do you guys even sleep?
That is.
I guess you guys are from like all East Coast, you know. I'm UK. Carlos in the UK. He went to sleep. I see when Dynamite never sleeps. Oh man, here we go again.
I'm about to send him a picture right now. Give him some FOMO.
He's not gonna. He's asleep. He's gonna wake up, answer the buy right away.
Yeah.
Back to bed.
Oh, hold on. Wait till it's in profit. Wait till it's in profit, then go.
Yeah.
If it goes in profit.
if it even hits green.
We good.
Did you
We
close
good.
half Premier Auto?
No, I didn't.
Oh, you
I
didn't?
close
Okay.
out. It's a small position. I just popped the 2 lot, so I was honestly
yeah. That's fine.
I wasn't even really stressing it.
Small position. I just popped the 2 lot. 20 pips, 2 lots. You could probably feed a family of 8 in some countries.
Oh man, which then?
Let's go.
I'm so zoomed to my charts. I'm expecting like these are huge candles, but in reality, you just zoom out. This is just a small area.
Little
here.
itty bitties, yeah.
Yeah, like a small area. This is just an illusion. So when a candle goes down, you feel hyped.
I feel like sometimes trading gold and then going back to other pairs that are just, have less volume in them. It's like you have to get adjusted. You have to get adjusted going either way, trading gold or coming back from trading gold. I think you have to plan accordingly.
Yeah, like I think gold's really gonna range here this session. Gold's not gonna move definitely. London should move maybe like to the top of this range area, and New York should just continue down. The New York opening.
Gold looks like acid feet. Looks terrible.
Yeah.
Although right there, it wasn't that bad.
Hey, I was talking this to I think Carl earlier. No matter what happens here, I'm gonna set an alarm right here for gold. In the future, these buys here above this area, going up towards this right here. These are buys that I hope it's not during London one day, and it's during New York. I'm just gonna cash these. These are the cleanest buys I've probably seen.
How many pips is that right there?
80.
Jesus.
Or sorry, yeah, 80 or 100. People are probably like, why don't you enter now and just get the buys from here? Man, price is bearish. When price is up there, it'll be bullish. Did we flip here? Oh, we didn't. Okay.
No, how you feel about the 30 close to
30.
bearish here? Dirty.
Yeah,
30,
it should be
30.
fine as long as we close below 147.
Yeah, closing below there. Would that be a
good entry? Would be a good entry. If I wasn't in this first position, I'll enter right there.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking at. So if it's not going to give me the seller replay, I'm going to go for that. Now, I hope I start replay. That'll be better. But celery play, I'd probably see no drawdown. Just run down.
It's really struggling here at this support.
Yeah.
I want like it's so close to breaking this low here, but it doesn't want to. Like, we wait till 8:30.
Go low.
I swear to God, if I'm in a trade for 2 hours and it's 11 p.m., I'm never doing an Asian session ever again in my life.
No, my wife is. She's giving me the evil eye.
She was expecting you to be in and out. It's been like
yeah, I told her. I was like, yeah, me and Don are about to hop on for like a quick
10 minutes.
little Asian. Yeah, but I'm about to tell her exactly what Wix9 said. Like, this 2 lot will feed a family. If what'd you say?
I'm sure you're not a you're not a small third world development country like Tajikistan or something. But yeah, shit it's essential. You gotta. It's a fine line. It's a very, very fine line to balance family and trading, and because it's very hard for other people to comprehend what the fuck you know, to understand where are you getting purpose, where are you getting like what the fuck are you getting out of it?
100%.
And like, most of the people are losing, and that's how they're dealing with family. So imagine that.
Yeah.
Like you're losing money and you're spending all your time doing this. What's wrong with you?
Yeah.
It's a very it's an internal battle. Like it's something we all each have to go through alone. You'd be very lucky if you find somebody that's gonna be like, oh no, that's what you do. All right, yeah, you gotta do that.
Nah, I'm lucky. Yeah, she supports me. She does. She's also like the vice president of my company, so she does a lot of all the marketing and everything for my company, which is super nice. So she believes in me 100%. Whether it's
the boss,
yeah, trading or whatever it is, she's about it. She supports me.
What's your favorite time to trade? You guys know, man. New York session, any given day. We do it every morning. Are you still going to Asian session, New York session? Of course. This is just a little bonus stream. just a little small stream. That's it. Oh, you're in Egypt. I'm seeing new faces here during Asian because then they can't. I guess they can't show up towards New York session.
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah. Rose, that new here. Welcome. Got 90 people during Asian. I'm surprised.
Me too. That's good though.
Yeah. Let's hope we get a trade for them. Control FX streaming, be careful, he might copy your trades. Someone sent that to me. And guess who said it? Tin Man.
Who? Man, oh my god.
First of all, I would not copy his trades.
Lovely
the Asian session. Yeah, thanks man, appreciate it. Thanks for showing up today. I would not copy his trades specifically. Let me give you like a little demo real quick. Ready? This is what he would say. See this right here? This wick is the biggest wick. That means that price is gonna go up, right? Oh,
so this bottom wick here, yeah.
At that moment, Don is going sell.
I was like, what?
I mean, he would take a buy here, wouldn't he? Like, cause he said how like if this wick is bigger than the body, he would take a buy.
Yeah,
so
you say something about that. I was like,
yeah, no,
what?
he's gonna buy here, and then if it breaks that low, he's gonna wait for the next level and add another buy.
Whole different.
I don't know why
he's just gonna keep adding buys till it starts going his way.
Yeah, I don't know why the washer and dryer like right behind the setting is just like.
Yeah, man, yikes.
You got to take him serious, you know. This man's doing it in the laundry room.
Maybe got some compressed sound walls or something. Who knows?
Yeah.
ISO cleansing from the 1 minute chart.
It's very hides the bodies.
Oh man, you guys are funny today.
We're still
playing Warzone.
There's a bigger audience than this morning, and we had 2 big wins. Don, I see Asian stream in your future.
No, man, I'm not gonna do Asian session. This is just one time thing, couple time thing. Oh, breaking these lows, that's good. If we can break this 30-minute candle here, that'll be perfect. But I hope we get a bond wick here. If there's no bond wick,
Yeah. What are you doing?
I think I'm moving my stops to break even. I'm just gonna call that a trade. Move my
Yeah.
stops to break even, just whatever it is, because I need a bond wick here.
Yeah.
At least.
Yeah, there's gonna be no.
Or break
of
the
course,
lows,
GJ.
something.
Yeah, GJ ain't gonna give us no bottom wick.
I mean, 1 hour still open, but no top wick, no bond wick. I did break even 1 pip in profit, whatever it is. This wouldn't make sense. 3, 2, 1. Stops break
No bottom
even.
wick.
Yeah, like I'm moving my stops to break even here.
Right
Just
on, right
doesn't make any
on.
sense.
Yeah. That was funny.
Yeah.
Oh, there it goes.
Can we come down here?
Can we come down? Come on, GJ. She wants to.
Thing is, like 15 has no bond wick here. 30-minute has no bond wick. This is a 30-minute closure, 8:30. But
Yeah.
the 1 hour is still open,
Still
so
open. Yep,
it
there it
still
is.
has a high chance to continue down, right? So that's why I didn't close full positions. But yeah, risk-free trade, 100%, guys. I think we managed this pretty well here. We did a good job of that. Close half and then we break even.
Yeah.
Yeah, trading session. Thanks for showing up, man. Appreciate you for being here. Yeah, like if we were breaking like below here, this is technically speaking clean traffic. This whole move right here, I'll say, like this, right? So we're breaking those lows. This kind of should continue to drive down here. Without breaking this high again, it should not flip if it wants to drive. It's clean. Here it goes. There's a clean. There's a clean traffic. It should just drive. Let's see. Can we get 10 pips very soon?
Bitch better have my money.
Man.
I'm like 4.5 in profit, 4.7 in profit.
Use a bug and I just re-entered. I'm at 2 pips.
And by the way, clean traffic doesn't mean you like enter again. For those that are looking for entries like right here, it just means that you're in a trade already. You entered like probably up here or whatever your entry was. But this is just like kind of like, okay, you can see as price broke below here, it has nothing stopping it from driving down here. It should just be clean drop. And these are moments you live for. This is why you trade. That's what you look for, obviously, right? So
Risk free, clean traffic.
yep. This is just a no-no. This is just a no-no though. That count's kind of ugly. Is support on 4 hour time frame? Yep. Support down here at 147.072. But do not worry because at that we're risk free, and for 2, that will be 8 pips. So you can maybe secure profits as you tap that support there. You don't gotta secure at 10 pips. You can secure some profits at 8.6, and then let the rest run coming down towards TP.
Yep.
I'm used to seeing you trade London sesh. You're used to seeing me do that? Are you sure? I've never done that in my life.
Yeah, right.
I think he said something else. At New York session. Are those wicks to on the left of big green candle, doesn't it affect price to react? Yes, it does. It does. I'm talking about these wicks, right? Like these wicks down here. Yes, but keep in mind this. Look at the way, or going to 15 for a better example here. You see all these wicks here? Look at the way these candles close there. compare these candles. These candles here has never closed below the range for never, right? We came down, rejected, 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 rejected. Whereas these candles here are closing below, therefore we're breaking support. So that's why I entered the first position. That was the reason why. So that's the difference between the two. And that's why we have a higher chance of coming down this time than we had the first time back here. Or even like these wicks, right? But again, like we're risk free. And if we tap these levels here. At this rate, man, I can't just want to hit at an entry or just something because it's not a long trade for no reason. We entered at what, 7:30 I think? Or 7:45? 7:45 we entered, yeah. It's been almost an hour,
7:45.
surprisingly. Count for the bearish here, bullish, sorry. It should probably go up here to air entry.
Yep. Here's my entry.
Yep. Did I survive that? Worried about no bond wick? Yeah, I was worried about that. So just move stocks to break even, right?
You survived that?
Yep.
Nice. You might be good.
I'd say, I don't know. If we can re-break the lows, that's gonna be kinda... Is that gonna give you FOMO, Premier Auto, if that breaks the lows again?
Nah. That'd be alright.
Yeah, I know you wouldn't get FOMO over this, but... Carlo would.
You know me. That's not me.
Carlo would. Dun, 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 dun.
How many percent profit are you? Like 3?
Yep. Close. It's just too slow. This is the thing, like, I mean, today I'll say it's slow, but I think for the past 2 days, we got like at least one move during Asian, and it's been pretty clean. Like I've seen this happen during Asian a lot too. We get a clean move coming down, a clean move going up. It's just that day, I guess. Who knows? Asian session just opened up. I mean, yeah, I think so too. Usually when I see this, break the highs, make that top wick, and then comes back down, flips bearish. You should just continue. Yeah, there's a reason why I don't do Asian every day, I guess. Half the time just watching.
Alright, boys. Mud bounce.
Yeah, man.
Break even.
I hope I hit break even just so I can be with you too, man. be in your position.
So sweet.
I feel bad, you know. You hit break
What you
even
mean you hope
and
you hit
I
break
survived
even?
it. I'd
I'm
rather hit
minus
break
10
even.
for the day. I'm hoping this goes down all the way to TP.
What kind of trader says that, man? Come on now. How humble can you be? Alright, man. Later, Premier.
Later, boys. I'll
See
see you
you
guys
man.
tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's funny. I'm just playing, guys. I don't want this to break even. I want this to hit my TP, obviously.
Yeah, wait till he leaves then. So
Yeah, wait till he leaves. Took a sell order on gold, 211. Totally forgot I had it. 211. That's like 5 days ago. How do you forget from 5 days ago? Don't you check your MT5, MT4 for 5 days? Man, I'm on that every day for at least like a minute. Gold says below 1788. Yeah. So here's the thing about gold. Be careful. I believe this could be a fake here. We're probably gonna pop back into this ranger and stay in this range for the rest of the Asian. London will probably pop further up for New York to go down. Well, letting it do whatever, right? But I just know for Asian session it could just be in this range here. So I'll probably stay all gold for Asian. It looks clean. I know that it looks clean coming down towards 1776, but I think it's gonna happen tomorrow, during New York session or London tonight. Just keep in mind, just be aware of that. First, I think I'll wait for a 4-hour closure below the support here. Very decent support you have here. Oh, it's kind of flip back up. I'm so late? Yeah, man, you're kind of late, Zerx. If you guys want to ask me questions that you guys can't ask me during your session because, you know, it's not your time zone to trade, or you can't make it to the streams, just ask it right now. I'm hopping off after we hit break even or enter TP here. I mean, you have some levels here as well, like back here. Very weak levels, minor levels. There's no bomb wick last 15 minutes? Yes. I mean, there's no range to continue down, right? But it makes it a 50-50 because the hourly is still bearish. The hourly count is still open. It's just a 15 that's just no bond wick, right? So the hourly can still continue down. Looking at it from the hour perspective, or even the 30-minute, or sorry, 30-minute close no bond wick too. But you know, 4 hour, 1 hour still kind of open still. Hey, FX lag. I think you got caps lock on or something. What do you say? What's that?
Said it needs time. I think the way this hourly closes, it's all everything.
I didn't expect to stream for like 3 hours, you know.
Yeah, it should have.
This hourly closes, makes a top wick, flips down, so probably take another 30 minutes to continue down.
Half hour, no top, no bottom.
Yeah. If this happens, that'd be great. It takes time during Asian. Yeah, but the thing is, like, you have Asian opening. Like, I've been trading Asian for a while too. It's not like it's my first time, but like, if it's no volume by 8 a.m., usually 80% of the time, same as New York, there's no volume for the rest of the session, right? Till like the 5 a.m. mark, until you have London overlap at 3 a.m. So usually what I do is if there's no move during 8 or after 8 p.m., I'm off the charts. My day's done. There's no point in me being on until 9, 11 with no volume, right? 24 hours live? Never, man. Never. That's a little too much.
For who? You wouldn't even watch 24 hours live.
I'll be asleep. I thought when the last clean traffic candle broke through that minor resistance with a clean wick, you ignore it. Which mean like this one? This one closing within this wick here? I'm confused, Zerx. It's like right there. 15 spot closer. In about 7 seconds.
No top wick. No top wick.
I mean, I doubt it. Okay, 15 close bullish. Like what we need now for it to come down here is, again, you're gonna need a bearish count breaking these lows here without breaking this high again, right? So this is what you need. A starter play coming down here. The chances of us surviving this is very low, but if we do, then that'll be amazing. Very low for us to survive this break-even trade. Our stops are like right there. I put like a 1 pip above, but it's like right there. Would you guys like me to do Asian every day? They're all gonna say yes.
Should make it like once a week then.
I would never replace it in New York, but once a week, oh man, I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna be consistent with it, because I made time for myself every morning from 6:30 till 9 or 10 to do this stuff, right? But between this time, usually like around the house or just doing whatever, not trading.
That's why you should make it like pop up. You don't know which day of the week. But like,
It's a round surprise whenever I feel like it.
Yeah.
Not being
once a
consistent.
week.
Here's what I do. If I get 100% on the simulation on Training Nut, I'll do an Asian session.
Go. Come on. Drool on my keyboard, please.
I think 30 minutes has a top wick, does it? Yes, 30 minutes has a top wick. Okay, I'm now looking at 15, looking at 30 here. We're breaking the lows.
Bleed all over my keyboard.
We get 10.
It's not going once, it's not going twice. Do I get 20? 20, do I hear?
No, we're not, no, nowhere near 20.
Come on. I just need 9 more.
Asian through New York. That's like what? 12, 14, 16 hours? Question is, what am I gonna do in between?
Can't go nowhere.
Alright, here's what I'll do. If nothing happens by 9 a.m., I'm gonna put what's it called, a hard stop at 9 p.m., sorry. 9 p.m. nothing happens, I'm putting a hard stop. If you're in a trade where you're break even, if you're not, then, I mean, no, you're not watching trade anyways, right? About 15 minutes left. You got a chart here. What's going on? You said price could be rejecting here. I thought the price was going to try past the matter. Yes. I'm not looking at that, right? I'm just looking at I think I have my support based off of this support over here. Right there. So we got like a closure below. Sorry, I had my support right here. We got a closure below, which was this candle. Therefore, this is where I entered the position at. Anticipating price to continue down. I wasn't really worried about this, no. I think Andre asked the same question like a bit earlier into the stream. I mean, but now that we're rejecting those levels here, like I'm looking at that, okay, that could be the reason why. But usually when I'm originally in a position, this would not be my worry at all. would just be this current or most previous candle. Rare London session. There's a lot of streamers in London, I think. You got Todd Capto, which is a great guy. I think Monty
Not too
used
many
to do
at
it.
London.
Monty's do it more. Yeah?
Monty doesn't do it.
I think he stopped. If I'm not wrong, I think I was like the first to do New York after the other guy. I don't think anyone else did New York before, right? I didn't see anyone else streaming. Or then those like signal ones, the one where you just have the thing up for 24 hours doing nothing.
It's a bot.
Yeah, the bot signal thing for 24-hour streams.
No, you were the next one streaming at more at the same time.
We had a lot more after too. Like a lot more came after me. Started around the same time as me, but he stopped. I knew one guy. He stopped doing it. I don't know why. I didn't give him a message. I'm like, hey, keep doing what you're doing. You know, bring great value. It's like all the other streamers here. He's like, yeah, thanks, keep it up, whatever. And then he stopped. Don't know why. People just stop because they don't get the audience or they don't get the attention that they wanted. The clout. They give up. If I'm being honest, if I were to stream just for the clout and the attention, I would not be streaming as we speak. I think for the first 2 months, 3 months, we got like 8 viewers consistently, every day, 8 viewers. That was like 11 months ago, or 10 months ago actually. It's a grind. It's a hard grind. You gotta be consistent. It was only hard because you couldn't talk to chat. Like if you have 8 people in a chat, like you get like a chat return of. Even now, we get a chat return of like 10% or less probably. Only 10 people chat, like 12, 20. But when we had 8 viewers, it was like one person chatting. It was kind of... Like, I didn't know what to talk about. It was all random.
Yeah, my laptop now. I gotta throw this shit on charge right now. I need to be cheering on GGR.
Oh, where's that? Could it happen here? Could this be the break of the 15? Or not? Find out in the next episode. Monty was talking a lot. I feel like the more you talk, the better it is, man. You don't want to be on a dead stream. A host who just doesn't talk or explain anything to you, you know, just quiet background music. I feel like I talk a lot. But I do it on purpose.
Yeah,
I don't want to keep
you got bored. The Forex Avengers with you.
Got the Forex Avengers. Yeah.
We need to break this pre-group on the current row. Let's go.
Yeah, man, this kind of doesn't want to break the 15-minute lows. Kind of just wanted to relax in this area. There's no time for that, GJ. I got a dip. Got some lasagna waiting for me. Yeah, I feel like you really gotta know how to engage with the audience. You can't get too off topic sometimes. You gotta kind of stick to the topic while just having fun, chill at the same time. Like we get off topic all the time on the streams, but we just bring it back right back to the whatever we're talking about, whatever we're looking for, right?
People on the stream, they just got a short attention span. Oh, look, a kitty.
I'm gonna go buy all the kitties. Look away, look for the kitty. Oh man, actually, you used that joke before, I think. Not gonna lie, the first time I heard your voice, I thought you were like Uncle Ted or something, like a second version. I think everyone thought that. A lot of people said that. Is that Uncle Ted in the streams? Like, nah, man, it's Wix9. Uncle Wix.
Ted. Uncle Wix. Ted's very knowledgeable.
Yeah. He has probably read a lot of books.
Just went to school. He's a finance guy.
Hey Don, what you gonna do if the move doesn't play out by 8 or 9?
I'll still be in there. I'll end the stream. Like, it's risk free, right? So you guys know what I'm doing already. You doesn't need any more guidance for that, right? And you guys know close half at 10 pips that the rest run risk free. That's what I'm gonna do. I got really dip at 9.
Okay.
I'll give you guys the steps. Don't worry. It's the step 1, step 2, step 3. You know. I'll give you guys that.
Crisscross.
Applesauce.
Pops this time.
Now we peaked 90. That's how much we peaked today during New York session. 95 or something. 100. Take it.
Did you get any subscribers?
I don't know. I gotta check at the end. But if you guys are new here, feel free to subscribe to the streams, man. Appreciate you for being here. We stream every morning at 6:30 a.m. Eastern, in case you guys didn't know. So tomorrow morning we're streaming again. Also, go check out the simulation video that I posted. We posted that about, I believe, 2 days ago. Perfect simulation session. Amazing session on YouTube. Actually, I might stay a little past 9. Actually, let's see. This trade is.
Is this it, GJ? Is this it?
Is this the one? Is this where we break the lows here?
Is this wave? Is this pull? Push, GJ, push. Push.
Fuck. Next thing you know, it comes down like this. Breaks the lows. No bottom wick. Comes back up. This is bullish. No top wick. Just to come back down again.
I can see that happen.
I can see it happening too. Like something like this, slowly coming down, creeping down very slowly.
Yeah, after volume's gone, that's what you would expect, just slow creeping.
Yep.
The McLaren gang is looking for buys on this 50 fib right now, probably.
It's funny there. When you sent me that McLaren gang picture, you're like, on the stream, you're like, they're looking for entries here. Next thing you know, you sent me a screenshot of a guy, McLaren gang. He took the exact entry that you mentioned at the 61.8 fib.
I mean, I know how many different people trade. I've been through it all, seen it all,
How do I trade?
how it works. But
Same way you trade.
Yeah.
Okay, so what do I do different that you do different?
I don't know. You're just sharper.
What does that mean?
You're more fine-tuned at the craft. I mean, entries or zones or like everything's very similar. I mean, you just see charts here. There's, this is a very individualistic activity. Yet, you want to socialize because it's just so boring, but it's just so, I guess, tailored to each individual. We all absorb it differently. We all absorb what we see differently.
Mhm.
It's just the reason I'm here is just our thought process on entering trades and mapping them out is very similar. But there are obviously no two positions, no two entries are the same.
Similar though, same ideas. Like I understand if you
Same
took a loss,
ideas,
why I
you're
took a
just-
loss, and you understand the same way why I took a loss and why I took a win, right? Same thing.
Yeah, I just find that you're more sharper on the charts. You'll get a bit better entry or a bit less of a stop loss. Just you're more aware of the exact price. And I'm right there. I understand what you're doing. I understand everything. There's reason behind everything that I'm doing. And it's just cool to see someone with a similar mindset.
Color got good mindset too. He has been I don't know, he replicates like everything that I do. Just he knows if I'm in a position or not before I even tell the chat or anything. Hey, speaking about the chat, guys, look at this 15-minute close there. 30-minute close are bearish. I mean, close below this resistance, therefore the trade's still valid. But the question is, are we gonna drive down or not, or are we just gonna stay in this area, right?
Really thinking about taking my $7 and dipping.
At this point, yeah, there's no volume by 8 a.m. It's 9. It should have moved by now if the price wanted to drive. I mean, 1 hour close, that's good, and it closed below the range. See how price reacts.
Just want that candle to the left replicated.
Yeah, I thought it was gonna be
Pull
I thought it was gonna be this candle, to be honest with you.
Pull that's the right.
Charge fees.
10 minutes later, we at the bottom of our zone.
How many pips are we in profit by? Around 7% profit, not bad. Still not taking any partials there. I think we're taking 8. Is this it? Is this the candle, guys? Is this what we've been waiting for this whole entire time? This whole entire day?
Told you so. I told you so. Let it rain. Clear right out. Watch these waterfalls.
9, 8, 10. Can we get 10 here? Price is driving. Clean.
Holy moly.
Who's that? What up, Michael?
What's up?
Is your name like? Is your name the same on the streams? I've never seen you.
Yeah, Michael's monologue. I'm in the chats too.
Oh,
Mikey.
okay. See, people have different names. I can't keep up.
Yeah.
Is there a group chat? Yeah, we have a group chat. We have a Slack group for all the paid course members, and we also have a free Signal channel. But and a paid channel, obviously. The paid channel gets a group, but free channels, I deleted the group a long time ago, just because.
How you feel about a runner?
You know how it goes.
Oh, you do have a runner. Never mind. That's a
Yeah,
runner.
yeah. You guys can look to secure some profits here at 10 pips, close 50% here at 10 pips, and let the rest run risk free. Going down towards 146, 948 here. This is a starter play you had here as well. Oh, no, you didn't. Sorry, you didn't have it here. But this kind of should continue driving down here. This hourly candle, the next 30 minutes, it should hit TP, but let's see. You just want to go, hit it and just go back to bed, man. Or go get some food. So again, like someone asked a question earlier about how about these wicks here? Are we gonna have some type of reaction here? Yeah, right. That's why you secure some profits here. 10 pips, secure some profits here, and let the rest run risk free, anticipating that we're gonna continue down to drive down to the bottom of the range here to mirror that candle, come down towards 146. All right. Iron Man sends his regards. He loves your streams. I know he's in there. He says, I mean, I have nothing against him. He's a great guy, but it's just weird sometimes. I don't know. Like I think he even sent me a message right after the day he said something in my chat saying sorry, and the next thing you know he does the same thing again the next day. So it's a, I don't know, I guess it's a love hate relationship with him. But I mean I'm not gonna,
About Timon?
yeah, I'm not gonna sit here and shit on him. You know, he's doing his thing, I'm doing my thing. I don't care what he does. I don't care what any other trade does, to be honest with you guys, right? If it's not affecting your own account, your own trades, like you shouldn't pay attention to it. It's a waste of time. It's a waste of time. Man, been on stocks lately, building my portfolio. Nice. Yeah, man, stocks is a bit too much for me. You gotta know the fundamental sides of things, and it's not for me. Like even FX, I gotta know about fundamentals, but I'm aware of, you know, the news is coming. Like for example, if I see CPI news coming, I'll take advantage of the volume coming in. But like I'm not gonna, like, you don't need to read every single article that comes out regarding the economy of the U.S. for the day for trading, scalping, right, catching tempers. Like you just not, like, I gotta learn on price action, understand price action. Like you have advantages if you do keep up the economic news, but again, like you don't need it to be profitable. Like I haven't, you know, like I'm not looking at any GDP news or anything. And usually 80% of the time they do play with technicals as well, so something that I've noticed. Can we go for Forex specials? Tough? Yeah. I mean, you have different sessions though, that's the thing. You have New York, Asian, London, right? Just pick your session, pick your time. Do you do Asian regularly or just today? Just today, man. Just today. Like tomorrow morning we're doing New York session and we're gonna call it a day after New York session. Let's see, I did my analysis for a New York session, right? I think tomorrow we're gonna push up. This kind of will probably reject somewhere. And where do you ask? It could be right here, because this is a 4-hour support somewhere here. We can actually reject it or continue back up, because they could actually flip bullish to continue up towards the next resistance it has in the higher time frames. But we need, again, like a smaller time frame support to be created and formed.
All right, I think I'm gonna hop off.
Yeah,
Got some
man.
profits.
Take it easy, man. Take it easy. Catch
See
you
ya.
tomorrow. Who taught you? A lot of people. I've been through a lot of people, seen a lot of people. I haven't, like, I paid for maybe one course my whole life, but it was one of my first courses, like probably like a Q-Banks course or something. But overall, like, obviously I don't trade the same way he does right now, right? Things have changed and I've been through a lot, and I've just pretty much gathered everything I knew to make my own. Especially reading candles, like that's something that I really didn't get anywhere else. Just reading candles, reading candles backwards, being able to break them down and understanding wicks and what they are. That just came from me showing up to the charts every day at 6:30 a.m. Eastern.
That's funny. I had one person like that whose course I ever paid for, and I trade nothing like it. It has nothing to do with complete.
Yeah.
You know, it wasn't trash. Just completely different way of trading and thinking. Just,
Like the
I've
only thing I
learned every
get,
indicator in the world and
Huh?
trade nothing like that.
yeah. You just have to realize, like, you know, like what's logic and what's not to you anymore, right? You just not, like, when you're new, you don't know anything. You're just believing whatever people tell you. As time goes on, you try things that they teach you. It doesn't work for you. It doesn't make sense. You just kind of change up your style of trading over time. Jeez, this session is Write your mentor's name down. Yeah, I did that in one stream. Took a whole list. Took 30 minutes to read up all our names. Now, would you do Twitch? I can't. First of all, I'm streaming on OBS, right? So OBS, you can't stream on 2 platforms at once. If I could do that, I would stream on every single platform. More, you know, I guess you can say exposure. I think everyone's just asking me to do London, Asian. Guys, you guys can only get me during New York session. That's it. The rest is on you guys, alright? Do you teach? Yeah, teaching how to speak right now. This is a free stream. Teaching how to speak. Hey, by the way, this trade management was pretty clean. Pretty clean. Risk free, you know, we closed half up here as price goes bullish back in the range. Risk free, it's everything to the T. Closing partials here, you know. Yeah, we have a follow the Instagram page. A lot of content there. We also have a course that's out, so check that out if you want. But again, the streams are free, and you can learn here. Look at where we tapped. This minor support here, right there. Hey Wixon, how long do you trade Asian for?
So I started trading, always traded Asian.
Like how long are you on it for though?
I'm not. Maybe 9:30 latest.
Yeah. Eastern, right?
Yeah, I usually jump on 7:15 maybe till 9:30. 7 something.
What up? What's up, Pocket and Pips? Is that McLaren trader? Guys, I did not expect this trade to last like an hour and a half. Like, I know it's an Asian session, right? But when I'm trading Asian session, usually 80% of the time, I'm trading during 8 a.m., 8 p.m. After that, like, I mean, I'm not looking at charts. I'm not used to just looking at the charts like this during Asian. Like, this is, if I wasn't streaming right now, I'll be, you know, risk free, just do my own thing. Setting alerts and stuff for 10 pips and all that, closing half, closing partials. But I'm not used to doing this during Asian. This is no volume here. It feels like a bank holiday during a US session. If you guys think Asian session here was valuable, you guys got some value out of it, wait till you watch the New York session streams every morning. I mean, lots of trading. We show our lots right here. February, January, October, December, November. These are all the trades I've taken all those months. Every single day, recorded losses, wins, all of that. So go ahead and check that out. What's up, big bro? What's going on, man? How you doing? Slow start. I don't know. February has been pretty good. Slow start to January though. 2021 was a slow start. If you guys are enjoying the streams, go ahead and free leave a like. The first part concerned about didn't matter, did it? It broke through? Well, thing is, yeah, because that's what it is, right? This is what it is. If you really look at it and break it down, resistance formed right here, support formed, right? This is just a range you have here, just a range. So we got a breakout to the upside, and now price is breaking back. This is a fake out we talk about every day. This is a fake out coming back into the range. So what it is just honestly, price breaks above. This is support, breaks back. We're breaking support. We should be headed down towards the next support, coming down towards this level down here. But technically speaking, we didn't actually close in the range yet, so we don't know if it's gonna respect now. Price is just rejected to continue back up, because price is obviously on a bullish trend still. But if we do break through, then high chance we have to continue back down to fill the range at 146,700, right? This is at 4-hour time frame though. But yeah, we don't know if it's gonna break through yet. But on a small time frame, ask yourself this: what happens if you're looking at this clean traffic coming down? You break support here. Where are we gonna go? Probably gonna pop down towards the support down here, right? So that leads to the 4-hour candle breaking to the bottom of the range again. So it makes complete sense, and that's the story you gotta tell every time you take a position.
Oh, not for nothing. What a great fucking stream. Fucking ton of value. Just because it took so long. Yeah.
John, you're regular Leonardo da Vinci. Again, like I appreciate you guys for being here today. Did not expect to stream Asian. It's not our session every day, but if you guys are here, thanks a lot. Oh, guys, the trade night interviews tomorrow. Aw, shit. The trade night interviews tomorrow. The podcast. Like, I can talk to you guys just naturally. Like, I can talk about charts naturally, everything just naturally. But when it comes to the podcast and I'm talking to someone, I stutter a lot and I freeze up. It's, I don't know. We're picking a time. I think he said 3 p.m. Eastern. I'm not sure if it's pre-recorded though or live.
He's 10 pips on got you unlock character.
10 pips with a lot. You got 10 pips. You close half.
I close.
Hey, Don, want to join my Forex team? I know you're trolling, Danny D. I know you're trolling 100%. We know who asks those questions.
That guy definitely works for IMO.
Nah, yeah, he's trolling. He knows where he's targeting. You make residual income, yeah. Yeah, man, put it on a team. I wanna make my my phone an ATM like you, man. I think I'm gonna put a hard stop to it in a minute here. This is getting ridiculous. I can't do this. I gotta hop off because I don't know how long. I don't know how long we're gonna stay in this range for. That's too long. 9:30.
10 minutes. I mean, you ain't gotta do it. I mean, shit.
I mean, price is gonna close bearish here. They're missing close bearish, but like it's. I don't want to watch a runner, right? You have the harmonic scanner? Oh, brother. Hell no.
Whip out the Batman signal. Batman returns.
Your trade challenge? Yeah, we're doing that soon. I think the first thing we're doing is the podcast, and then later on we're gonna do like everything else. I believe that's what he said. So.
Hey, Jimmy, chat. You on the wrong side.
It's tomorrow at 3 p.m. I'm not sure if these are live streams or not though. The trading nut ones. I think it's gonna be pre-recorded, so it should be up like next week or something. What do you think about AED, NZD? You guys send me a chart, man. Send me a chart. I'll check it out. I'll check it out for you.
Let me know. Yo, put me up. If you need to use a lifeline, you can phone a friend.
One
You can
lifeline.
Put me up. You're like, I don't know trading nut. Hold on. Let me dial up quick tonight. I'd like to phone a friend.
Like what's that show called? That dude that does a lifeline? To be
Who wants to be a millionaire?
Yeah, he wants to be a millionaire.
Were you just filming? I think he died.
He did it?
Yeah.
The host?
Yeah, the original host. I remember the very first person I saw make $1 million on that show. The dude worked for like the IRS, and he's like on the very last question, the $1 million question. He was like, "Damn, can I phone a friend? Can I call my dad?" And the guy's like, "All right." So he calls his dad, and he's like, "All right, Dad, I don't really need your help. I just want to call you and let you know I won $1 million." And then
Damn.
he knew the answer. Yeah, it was savage. I was like, "That's nice." He was laughing when he got the question. He's like, "All right, I'd like to call my dad." Are we at the 618? We're at the 618? Is this still right?
Wait, I'm replying to this trainer guy. 61.8. This is probably 61.8 out of McLaren traders. Fit from here to here, 38, 61.8. You probably got buy here in profits right now or something probably.
What, right off that bearish real quick?
Hey, why don't you do Asian session always? Man, there's a lot of other traders as well that are Asian, right? You can watch them, right? You can catch it during New York only though. Advice for struggling to trade on? My advice for you is understand why you're struggling. I'm pretty sure you know why you're struggling. You know you're struggling because you're over leveraging, over risking. But I think the question is, do you know how to deal with it? Just, you know, whatever your habits are, just stop creating those habits. That's my best advice.
Week from now, you're gonna see Don doing a promo back by popular demand. Asians.
Popular demand. This is a popular demand actually. I'm surprised. Yeah, I mean, if you're over trading, you don't know when to stop trading every day. You make profits, you keep trading, you lose money, you want to make it back, you keep trading. Then you gotta stop. There's no like secret format to it. There's no like, and there's nothing I do special that stops me from over trading except for the fact that I follow my plan, my discipline, my rules. If you're over trading or if you're over leveraging, same thing. You gotta stop. Recently watched a cheater who wants to be a millionaire. Coffee was hilarious. I feel confident in my trading now and want to up my account size. What do you recommend I go with? Whatever you're comfortable with, man. Whatever you're comfortable with. Everyone's different, right? I can't just say a 10K account just because I'm comfortable with that. Or whatever account size I want. 20K, 50K, whatever it is. Whatever you could handle. And not shit your pants. And think about it this way: every time you do deposit money in your account, understand that you have a high chance of losing that money. I don't care how profitable a trader you are. If you've been profitable for the past like year, decade, it doesn't matter. You still have a chance of losing that whatever you deposit. So. Yeah, definitely. Like even Andre, like he says, Premier Auto, like he ups his account size. He hasn't lost money or he hasn't made money, but he just every couple weeks he just adds money to his account size. Like 5K, another 5K, whatever it is, or whatever he's comfortable with. That's his lifestyle. That's his life, right? All right.
Calling it.
Is I heard this guy Joke is going for how much is he going for? He's going for or sorry, no, 43, never mind. My boy said he's going for 81. That was like 30 minutes ago, I think. Yeah.
Going for what?
81 points. I think he was just trolling. Alright, man. I'm gonna hop off, guys. This is it's been a long trade. It's been 2 hours here, but it's not planned to trade for that long. But sounds like it's because there's no good Asian session. Yikes. No shots fired or anything, right? Alright, guys.
Watch it. As soon as you get off, it's gonna go hit straight to TP.
If it does, I you know, good stuff. But
It's been waiting for you to get off.
you know, risk-free trade. You can close half at 10 pips if you haven't done so yet. Let the rest run towards TP. Simple. Those are our steps. That's what I'm following here, right? So call it a day. Catch you guys tomorrow morning.
Leave a like and
peace and love.
be happy you caught the Asian session. This doesn't.
Yes.
Special.
Peace, guys. Peace.
You guys are special.